Alright guys, this is a severe thunderstorm warning right here. Lightning is pretty excessive. They said they spotted a funnel cloud on I-95 somewhere, so I hope it doesn't get that serious over here. But enjoy the light show. I think it's pretty awesome. I haven't heard any like loud thunder yet. I've heard some pretty loud thunders in my time. Yeah, that was like 6 years ago, so whatever. Excuse me. Need to move back because it's starting to rain. I love watching storms and stuff. Hopefully I can film a few of them for you this year. So I live in Florida. When you get that daytime heating, man, and this thunderstorms pop up like nothing, like this. It was sunny, so sunny, and it became all dark. Hey, look at that lightning.